Well, I'm back. I am back. Let's see if we can catch some trades. I kind of messed up. I uh I let me move this over. Oh, I can't. Okay. Um, I was trying to hook up this broker with Trading View because I didn't like the way the candles were moving this morning. So because they do move a little too fast, so I was trying to hook up Trading View with this, and it just wasn't going. So I ended up losing a whole lot of money. Look at that, guys. I was at 5,500, 55,000, and I lost all that because I was Alaska Trucker. What's going on, Alaska Trucker? What's cracking, man? So yeah. Anyways, I just couldn't. Green Globe. What's going on, Green Globe? Thanks for being in the neighborhood, both of you guys. So anyways, yeah, I was trying to hook this up with Trading View, and it was not taking. And I kept putting in trades because it was having a slight delay, and I couldn't put my stop loss and my take profit all at the same time. I don't know if you guys know about this, but Trading View, if you put a take profit, a buy or sell, it automatically puts the little icon for a stop loss and a take profit. But I couldn't get to go. I looked at a few YouTube videos, and they're saying that the broker's supposed to pay for that data, but I don't know what the hell's going on. But I believe when I first signed on with this prop firm, My Funded Futures, that I was supposed to pick Trading View instead of Tradeovate. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend anybody to trade on Tradeovate if you are starting, because it's the candles have a lot of movement, and it's just not a good look. It's not. Let me sign on to my account on Bullinox. It's the same thing as Top Step, and let me show you guys the difference between both charts. It's not the same. It is not the same. Let's see if I can put them side by side so you guys can see what I am talking about. Okay. Oh shucks, can you guys see that other one? Can you guys see them both? Oh, you guys can't see them both. What the hell? Can you guys see both charts? Can somebody tell me on the chat? Or you guys can only see one? Can you guys see both charts? I got two charts up here. Can you guys see them both? Yes. Okay. Cool. Yeah, because on my screen it's only showing Tradeovate. So this is Tradeovate. Look at this is the 1 minute. This is Tradeovate right here, and this is Bullinox. And if you pay close attention to these candles, these candles on Trade-O-Bait will move real fast. Well, you see one chart, you don't see two charts. Oh, what the hell? How come we're not catching two charts? Can you guys see that? Okay, I guess not. Here, let me take this chart off. Oh, that's crazy. Why can't you guys see two charts? That makes no sense. No, just one chart. No. Why? Add source. Why can't you see them both? What the hell? What the hell's going on here? That makes no damn sense. Why? Okay. Let me just log off of that one. There you guys go. Let me fix this real quick, guys. This thing makes no damn sense why you guys can't see this stuff. Well, you guys can see it now, right? It's only one chart. I just put up one chart. You guys can see that, right? Can somebody tell me if you guys can see that? Good stuff, Pop-Tart. You're learning the lingo. I see exactly what I saw this morning, except the candles in different. Right now, it's just zoomed in one chart. Yeah, okay, just one chart. Cool. Yes, okay. But yeah, so I mean that's what I was tripping on. You know that TradingView had a delay, and you know TradingView if you're just set a limit order like this, right here you'd have a little icon to put your stop loss and then your take profit. And I couldn't get that little icon to go. It wanted me to do some extra stuff, which I really didn't want to. So that's how I lost. What did I lose? Well, like $600, something like that. So I don't know how these guys are using TradingView, and if they are using TradingView, homemade, back at it again, huh? 213, this is who I needed. Yes, thanks for being in the neighborhood. 213, how do you connect to TradingView? Because I was just letting everybody know that I try to connect this prop firm over to TradingView. I have a delay, and then on TradingView, you know how you put a buy, you just press buy, and then you come over here and you got a little stop loss icon and then take profit icon at the same time. Is that the way you do it, or do you still have to go through that trading icon and then that little chingadera pops up where you gotta buy and sell, and that little square still pops up over here, or does it pop up on the little icon where you put in your trade? I passed another Apex account. Nice. Good stuff. So 213, can you tell me if that's how you're doing it? Here, let me. You know what? Let me see. Okay, I got Trading View, cancel. Okay, everything's good on Trading View as far as going over to Trading View. Okay, so let me show you, since I got you here, 213. So you can tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong here, okay? Okay, so I go there, okay? And then where are the brokers? No, I don't want a paper trade. I got a paper trade, okay? So I go to Trade of 8. Oh man, what is this? What is it? What is it? I forgot what it is. Let me see. Oh shucks. Can't even do it. Can't even do it. Okay, let me see. I think I'm gonna have to go to the. I think I'm gonna have to go to the website itself. Okay. Log in. Okay. 213. You're still with me? You're still here? Okay. Copy. Okay. And then paste. Okay. Okay. So now I'm connected to Trading View. Okay. It's the same account, except now I'm trading on Trading View, not Trade of 8. I'm out of Trade of 8. So I'm here now. So normally, like if you put say you put a buy, right? You put a buy. Here, when the little bar comes up, you'll have a little icon that says stop loss and then take profit. But it's not giving it to me. 213, you still here with me? Help me out on this. I'm trying to figure this damn thing out. So, but yeah, that's how I lost, that money, which is not good. It's not good because I wasn't. I was trying to figure this out, and I couldn't figure it out, and it was I kept putting in trades, so I lost $600 or $800. Well, it looks like 213 left us. Okay, well, I'll probably ask help somewhere else. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So yeah, let's get back to Trade of 8. Trade of 8, and there it is. Okay, close. Let me log out of this. Okay, we're out of here. Okay. So yeah, I mean that's why I kind of moved on from. I mean, I wasn't liking the way the candles were moving on Trade of 8, so I tried to switch over to Trading View, and yeah, I lost all that money. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can go to my performance. Let's see. What's this? Reports. Okay, orders. You see it? You guys see what I mean? This is it's kind of like old school. Feels. And this is all. It's just TraderVate really needs to see the performance. Really needs to upgrade their website because it really sucks. So I don't have much to lose now. I gotta get back to 800 because if not, I'm gonna end up blowing this account. And like I said, the reason why I blew that account is because I was trying to trade on TradingView. I did not like the way the candles were moving on TraderVate, so that's how I blew my. I mean, that's how I got to where I got, which is not good. Not good at all. At all. But 8 o'clock, I should get a little bit of movement. The Japanese market opened at 5, and London sessions should start kicking in a little bit. So we shall see. We shall see. Green Globe, how's it going, man? How's it going? Are you trying to get this? You trying to learn this or what? You're almost there? Give me some good news, man. Give me some good news. Tell me these videos are helping you. Pop Tart, same thing with you. If you can learn this, believe me, this is retiring money right here. It doesn't look like you lost any kind of money, not enough to get overexcited about. Well, the thing is this, Pop Tart, you can only lose 2,000. Once you lose the 2,000, then you blew your account, so you have to pay for another prop firm. You got to pay for another account, you know. So, I can see if you lost 20K or I understand what you're saying, Pop Tart, but this is the name of the game. This is the way you're gonna be profitable when you don't lose this kind of money, you know, when you can pass these tests at a drop of a dime, you know. Once you start accumulating more money from these prop firms, that's when you move your money over to a live account, your own account, where you don't have no rules and you can make as much money as you want. Green Globe, don't buy anything. Do not buy anything. If you don't have a strategy, don't buy anything. Stay with paper trading. Stay with paper trading until you got this down packed. That's my advice to you. Because if you start buying, believe me, you're going to lose thousands of dollars buying these prop firms. These accounts are not, they're not to play with, you know. If you can get a strategy, if you are good at paper trading, and you know, you've been green, okay, go get you an evaluation. Don't buy you. But yeah, man, I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. Keep going. Just because you think you have the hang of it, just keep going. Do another 30 days. Do yourself that favor. Go another 30 days just paper trading. Another 30 days. It's not going to hurt you, you know. Go another 30 days. As long as you stay green on that paper trading, after you're done, then you can go buy yourself an evaluation. Paper trading, Pop Tart, is fake money. It's fake money. So let me show you. I was just there. I don't know why I closed it out. So you go here, Pop Tart. You go to TradingView, okay? Oh, down here. You guys can see that one. You go to TradingView, okay? You make your own account. You you sign in, you make an account. You have this for 30 days for free. Okay? Once you get here, you want to go here. Oh, can you guys see that? No, you guys can't see that. Okay, let me move that up. Move that over. Okay. So once you make an account, you log in. It's free. It's free. You know, you just got to put your email and all that good stuff. Okay. Once you do that, go here. You see that? Where it says open panel, where I just clicked on, right here. Right here on that corner. Right there, where that arrow is, okay? Once you hit the arrow, it's gonna go up like this. You can go here, where it says paper trading. You put paper trading. Oh wait, I haven't logged in. Hold on. Let me log in. Oh wait, oh, still signed on to Tradeovate. Log out of Tradeovate. Okay, so again, okay, you make your account. Okay, put an email, password, and all that stuff. Once you do that, this is for free. Remember, you go here, you click on that arrow, then you go here where it says paper trading. You click on that, connect, and then you go back over here, close that out, and you're able to trade. Okay, let me change this background. This background sucks. All right, here. There you go. What the hell? What's all this? This is stupid. It's let me take all these. Let me take all this crap off. Remove. I don't know what the hell this is, but I don't need any of that. Object tree. Reset chart. What the hell's on that? I don't need these damn arrows. I don't need that either. Okay, so yeah, once you do this, and then you got that's your watch list right there. You can add on whatever you want to watch. So this is it right here, Pop Tart. This is all practicing. Yes, this is all practicing. So if you think the market is gonna go down, then you sell. You see that? You see how that pops up? So you grab your stop loss. You want to lose that much money, and you want to win that much money. Okay? Holy crap, 2 contracts gives me that much? Holy shuts. That's crazy. Paper trading's crazy. But yeah, this is all, it's called paper trading, and it's all fake money. So, what the hell? But this is what I wanted to get on when I was signing on to that prop firm, My Funded Futures. But this does not pop up. The only thing that pops up is my trade, this right here. But the stop loss and the take profit does not show. So that's what I was trying to get. And that's how I lost all that money. So, but yeah, Pop Tart, this is what you got to do, okay? This is called paper trading. Okay, this is the way you're gonna practice. Learn it. This is for free, Pop Tart. This is for free. After the 30 days, you will have a D right here, somewhere right here. It'll be highlighted. That'll tell you that you're on some kind of delay on TradingView, and they're gonna ask you, to pay for their data, which is not much. It's like I think it's like $9, $13 a month, something like that. But yeah, that's the way you're gonna practice. That is the way you're gonna start practicing paper trading. It's called paper trading. But Green Globe, yeah, stick with it, man. Give yourself 30 more days. Try to get a strategy down packed, and see if you can stay green. For the majority of the time, before you start putting money into these prop firms, because I'm telling you, you're gonna spend some money, because we all get that gambling mind. I got this. I can get it. But believe me, it's hard to break that bad habit. So my advice to you is just hold on. Asian market subdued and lackluster trading. Okay. So Bullinox chart is what I'm focused on. While the Bullinox chart is not free, but it's the same thing. It is basically the same thing. All these charts do the same thing. They have different functions, Pop-Tart, but Bullinox is made more simpler, But the bad thing about it is that Bullinox, that chart is called Project X. It's not gonna be. Other prop firms are not gonna be able to use it. The only one that's gonna be able to use it is Top Step. They own that chart, even though they don't want to admit it. But they're the only ones that are gonna be able to use it. So, I mean, they got plenty of other charts. They got, like this one right here, Trade-O-Vate. They got Trading View. They got Ninja Trade. Trading brings out the worst of your characteristics. 213 came back. 213 came back. Hey, 213, did you understand what I was trying to explain about the Trading View? That it wasn't working with me. So I lost. What did I lose? I lost $600-700 because I was trying to hook up my funded futures over to Trading View, but I just couldn't get it. Is Project X going out of business? No, Project X is not going out of business. Project X is just a chart that a bunch of prop firms use. Like Bullinox, Trade-A. There's a bunch of prop firms that use it. Well, they're all going to be cut out sometime in, I don't know if it's the end of January or the middle of February, but it's in that time. And everybody's going to have to trade them prop firms either on Trading View, Trade-O-Vate, which is this one, Ninja Trade, or Rhythmic, or them other charts that are out there. But they're not going to be able to trade on Project X. I want to learn how to trade and what to trade, Vic. I'm interested in this because of you. Well, thank you. Appreciate that. But, yeah. I'm telling you, Pop-Tart, just look at YouTube videos. Look at the videos and study them. Whichever one makes sense to you, that's the one you want to keep holding on to, and keep looking at that person's videos. And again, all you have to do is type in day trading for beginners on YouTube, and you get a list of people that do it. But 213 passed another Apex account. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. And I'm over here losing money. Well, they're trying to play with TradingView. So right now I'm just waiting for 8 o'clock. I'm waiting for 8 o'clock, see if we can get a couple of trades, because I need to get this money back. I need to get this money back. It is not fun losing money. Oh, wait, I'm on the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. Here we go. Here we go. And by the way, that's my time frame. That's the time frame that I like to trade on, is the 5 minute. The 1 minute I trade because most people here on YouTube, that's what they trade on, a lower time frame. But me, I like trading on the 5 minute. Why? Because it kills all this noise. There's a bunch of noise going on the 1 minute, but if you look at the 5 minute, the 5 minute really doesn't have, I mean, it does, but not as much as the 1 minute, if you know what I mean. Well, you watched me trade this morning, Pop-Tart. But yeah, got 7 more minutes, and I'm gonna see if I can get a couple more trades, or get one trade, get something. But I need to get some of this moolah back. Pop-Tart said it's not a big deal to lose $500-600. It's a big deal for me, Pop-Tart. Well, what I do, Pop-Tart, is just break and retest, and then just look for consolidations. So say for instance this is going up, right? What I'm looking for is another breakout to the upside, or a breakout to the downside, or some consolidation. This right here I consider consolidation. It just went sideways. So if this was popping, when it hits this level right here, it's gonna stutter there. It's gonna stutter there for a little bit. It might go 2 or 3 candles sideways and then decide to pop, or it's gonna come back down. That's simple trading right there. There's people that do all this crazy stuff. Watch. EMA. Okay. I'll put the 13. Okay. They do all kinds. These are called EMAs. Okay. And then you got what else you got? You got VWAP, fatality. Don't know if the system is slow or what. Yeah, TradingView. What you have to do when stuff like that happens. Oh, 2 and 3. Oh, you know what to do. So yeah, people have all this right here, Pop-Tart. To me, it just doesn't make no sense. You know, I don't. For me, it's just a bunch of nothings for me, because I don't need any of this. I'd rather have a clean chart just like that and trade off of that. You know, make my box, and that's it. So them lines indicate how these candles are moving. So if the candles are going down, the line will go down. If the candles are going up, the line will start going up like this. It'll go down and then it'll go up. It'll go under this right here like this. So it's just I don't know. But for me, this is the best way I trade. If the chart is nice and clean and I can see what the candles are doing, I really don't need indicators and stuff like that to tell me what the candles are doing, So let me go back to the 1 minute. See what we got going in the 1 minute. So we got 2 seconds on this candle. VWAP and EMA. What is that? That's the lines I just showed you. Them are the lines I just showed you. They're just indicators. See, that's an EMA. Okay, so as the candle's moving this way, the line will go under it and then it'll move up. If the candles start going down, the line will go on top of it and go down. So the theory is if the candles are going up and this line is underneath it, the theory is go long. Go ahead and trade long. If the line is here on the top and the candles are forming down, go short. Which, I mean, it's common sense to me if I just look at it, So MB Trucker, what's going on, MB Trucker? I do like some of the indicators TraderVate has available. Nothing beats a clean chart. Yeah, I can't. I don't know. I can't use indicators. 213. I just can't. So can I take 1K and just trade it in one trade, or is it just for smaller amounts? So, pop chart here. Let me show you something. Okay, I'm gonna show you this website. Okay, this website. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. Let me move my mug. Okay, see this website, Prop Firm Gorilla. Okay, you can go to this website, and these are all the prop firms right here. Okay, these are all the prop firms. Okay, so this is the platform that my funded futures trades on, which is the prop firm I have: TraderVate, TradingView, Quant Tower, and Ninja Trade. There's no activation fees. There is an evaluation. It's in a day. Minimum days to a payout is 10 days, and they pay you with Rice. Rice is some kind of like a PayPal app, right? Same thing here. The futures desk, they trade on Project X and Rhythmic. There's an evaluation in a day or static. You got 7 days to trade. You got to be green. If you're green for all 7 days, they will pay you with Rice or ACH. And you can also compare them to see who's got better setups, better, what they're going to charge you. Like this one, 50K, $77. There's a 50K right there, and there's another 50K right there. Okay, so let's compare them. So there you go. My funded futures, they charge you $75. You can trade a 50K account. My futures desk, $93. You can also trade a 50K account. Your profit target to pass your test, which is called an evaluation, is 3,000, and this one's 4,000. The most you can lose is 2,000. Here too, 2,000. Okay. Daily loss, none. 800. This is what you can lose. 800. If you lose 800 in a day, you blew your account. Positions. How many contracts you can put on there? 3. Here, 2. Can you trade while there's news? Oh, wait. You can't even see that, right? Okay, there you go. Okay. News trading. It is allowed. It is allowed over here too. Minimum days to pass the test. The evaluation is 2 days here, 8 days here. There's no activation fees on neither one. So if you blow your account, it's called reset fee, right? So you got to wait 30 days, and then they'll charge you $77 again, and you'll have another account. This one will charge you $75. But best thing to do is just cancel it and buy you another account right there and then. Contracts, what is that? Okay, so let's go back. So contracts are these, okay? How many contracts you can put in a trade, okay? So you have, look at it this way. When you're doing minis, you see, move my mug again, okay? See this, minis? Let me change it up. Move myself again, okay? Okay, you see that? It says minis, E-minis, okay? Think about it this way, okay? Think about it this way. When it says minis, every time that candle clicks up or down, just a little bit, that little snap up and snap down, is $50. So, and then you have your micros, which is this right here, micros, okay? Micros, every time it clicks, it's $5. Every time it clicks down, it's $5. So micros are cheaper than minis. Just keep that in mind. So if you put 2 contracts on there, every time it clicks and you're on minis, it's $100. Okay, so every time it pumps up, it's $100. Every time it pumps down, it's another $100 if you're in a trade. So as a beginner, it's highly recommended that, let me move myself back up here. Let me take myself way up here. That you trade with micros and not with minis. Because minis, you can blow your account real quick. Micros, okay. $100, okay. Good stuff, good stuff. I hope you're getting it. I hope you're getting it, Pop-Tart. So, it's something to learn, believe me, Pop-Tart. If you can get your husband on this, both of you guys can get on this, it's a win-win situation. Oh, shucks, 8:05. Hold on, guys, hold on. 8:01, 8 o'clock, okay. Whoa, wait. Did I press rectangle? Okay, rectangle. Is that 8? 8:01, 8 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8 right there. Okay, so here's my box, guys. Here is my box. Oops. Okay, here's my box. Let's see what we can get out of this today. See if we can get this moolah back. We need to get this moolah back. If you got any other questions, Pop-Tart, just ask away. I will answer as best as I can. Now, do you guys see how that candle just popped? That's straight of it. That's the way it moves. But if we were to go to some other chart, it wouldn't pop this way. That's what that's what I don't understand. I mean, I do understand it, but it's just, this is not for beginners to trade. This chart right here is terrible, terrible. You see that pause right there? That's not normal. That's just trade of eight. It's the way it moves. And how can you predict something like that? You know, any other chart will start slowly but surely working that candle down. And trade of eight just does this. It just pops candles, which is it's not good. It is not good. You know what? I'm gonna put a limit order there, and then, oh shucks, that's not even enough. That's not even enough. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. What the hell am I looking at? Here's the 5-minute. It just popped back up. Not good. Not good. Yeah, you see, so it's not gonna do nothing, guys. This is worthless. This is worthless tonight again. It's okay. I'll give it another minute. If it keeps consolidating, then we'll just call it a day, guys, and we'll try it back tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning I won't be live, but I will make a video of it and let you guys see how my trading went in the morning, because I do have a delivery tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's 8:10. It's 8:10. Yeah, it's gonna consolidate, guys. It's gonna consolidate. But I did enough blabbering. Pop Tart, stick to it. Green Globe, don't give up. This is where it's at. So, but I see Vic. I gotta. I see Vic. I gotta find something to start spending all this money on. I'm not giving it to my children. I gotta quit a bit. So I'm learning. Learn it, Pop Tart. Learn it. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. Well, I won't do a live tomorrow, like I said, but I'll be live again Friday. Friday for sure. I'll be live again. I won't be live Thursday because the market's not open. So I'll see you guys Friday. Roscoe Chows. Yeah, no problem, Roscoe. No problem. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. All right, you guys be safe out there. We'll see you guys Friday.